if you're watching this of the farts. Okay, we're on 87. Carry on, my boy. And we're watching with headphones this time.
89. 90.
I mean, this is really short. Ooh.
And we're not sponsored with that.
Okay, no sponsoring. I feel uncomfortable. Bro, what the?
102. It's 212. 10 more.
Come on.
Add.
When's 112? Oh.
Oh,
Ah.
112 one is crazy.
Yeah, I know, 101.
Yeah, I listen to 100. That was 100.
Yeah.
109. Wait, I can send this to someone. I'm gonna send it to Christian. Go share. I'll tell you Christian's number. Everybody just phoning him. Okay, I'm gonna send it to Christian.
we sent him so many sus stuff. We sent him so much stuff. We like called yeah.
Now I'm tired to play Roblox. I'm just joking. Yeah, that was the 11. That's 112.
Also, go check out Christian's Roblox account. It's why do you think?
He said actually is his username in Roblox. It's why do you think?
Yeah, no.
How do you know that?
I have my ways. I have my reasons, Josh. Let me stop. We didn't have headphones on.
Alert! Please don't watch this while you're eating.
Yeah, different way. We should have. That's way too late. The video's over, but now we're gonna have to try in the video. Bye, guys.